Oh no! Did you break your CFL light bulb? No worries, because I'm going to show you how to clean up that toxic mess with confidence. My friends, all mistakes were not created equal. Some mistakes make you look silly. Some mistakes make you look like an idiot. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Here we go. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. And other mistakes can be just downright bad for your health, like breaking one of these bulbs. A lot of people have an old school mentality about these bulbs. You can't just break these and then sweep them up and put them in your trash can. CFL light bulbs contain traces of mercury in them, which is extremely toxic to human beings. So when you break one of these in your home, you have to air out that part of the house before you can even begin to clean it up. So you've broken your bulb. What you want to do first is turn off that air conditioning unit in your home. You don't want that mercury being circulated all throughout your house, so turn it off first and foremost. Secondly, open up a window, close off all the doors to all the other rooms in the house, and evacuate your home for a minimum of 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes is up, you can go inside, you can start cleaning up the mess. Understand that everything that touches that bulb is going to be contaminated with the mercury. So we're not going to use brooms, we're not going to use vacuums. Instead, grab you a sheet of paper and an index card, or maybe a stiff sheet of cardboard, and use that to scoop up the trash onto that sheet of paper and then dispose of it into a plastic bag that you can seal. You could also use a plastic container with a lid if you would like. If you have any small pieces left, or if you broke this on carpet, you can use duct tape and allow those little pieces to stick to it, and then just dispose of that tape in the baggie as well. And lastly, take a damp paper towel, wipe down that area, and then wash your hands when you're finished. If you're really freaked out by all this, you can actually wear some rubber gloves before you even start this process, and then just dispose of the rubber gloves as well whenever you finish cleaning it up. Now that you've cleaned up the broken bulb and you've sealed off your baggie, you want to take that to your local recycling center. You never want to throw broken CFLs, or just intact, burnt out CFLs for that matter, in the trash can. You want to be a good steward of the environment. Ow! If you're unsure where the collection centers are where you live, I'll leave a link in the video description box to this video to a website called earth911.com. Once you get to the website, just enter CFLs, your zip code, and it will list all of the recycling centers in your area. Here in my town, I just use Home Depot and Lowe's. So that's it. That's how to clean up a CFL light bulb. Every time one of those burns out or you break one, I recommend replacing it with an LED light bulb. Best bulbs out, hands down. They use less wattage, which means they don't get as hot, they burn longer, and they don't contain mercury. What more could you ask for?
I want you to get rid of those nasty CFL light bulbs as well. They contaminate the drinking water for my cousins.
The only thing the CFL has against the LED is that the LED is a tad bit more expensive, actually 3 times more expensive, but they burn 3 times longer, use less wattage, saving you on your energy bill, so it balances out long term. So I want to know in the comments, I'm curious, how many of you were completely clueless? You had no idea that CFLs contain mercury and are a health hazard. My friends, let me know down in the comments below.